Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your environment supports ES6 features because that avoids surprises. Once done, choose literal/pattern/flags for static patterns or new Regex pattern flags when building dynamically. Make sure to anchor with and $ when you want full string validation, otherwise use test for substring checks. You should also pick flags I for case insensitive, G for global, M for multiline, and immediately run a simple test to verify behavior. Now you construct the core pattern and test iteratively. Start with character classes like azazi0-9 and shorthand \d or \w to reduce errors, then add quantifiers such as plus or 2, 4 to enforce length. Once done, wrap subpatterns in non-capturing or named groups ID, so you can extract parts with match and groups. Make sure to escape special characters when matching literals, and run several positive and negative examples to refine. To finish, integrate the regex into validation logic. Use regex. Test for Boolean checks match or exec for captures and replace for cleanup. Once integrated, run a comprehensive suite, empty strings, very long inputs, Unicode characters, and inputs with extra spaces. If validation fails, simplify the pattern first, then add anchors or flags you might have missed. As a troubleshooting tip, log intermediate tests for each subpattern so you can isolate which part misbehaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.